This is Car Guys Talk with Andrew and Tavarish.
But you know whose hydrogen car is horrendous? Toyota. The Mirai.
The Mirai.
It's awful.
Why?
It's hideous. Look it up.
Okay, so what's up with the? Because I was at the Mirai launch.
Oh wow, cool. Was that when you killed Scion too?
It might have been. Let me look up Toyota Mirai because I'm about to look up some obscure like adult actress. Mikai? No. Mirai. There we go. And we are, bam, look at that. So,
that is a horrendous looking vehicle.
You think that's bad? You think that's ugly? You think this is ugly?
I hate it so much. It looks so stupid.
What's wrong with it?
It looks like an angry albino raccoon.
What's wrong with angry albino? Okay, so the wheels, I'm not a fan of.
Yeah, or the front end.
The front end, I don't hate. So I think the front end I could,
or the side,
I could learn to love,
or the rear.
Because if you put bigger wheels on this and you lowered it, I think it would look pretty tough. I think it would look pretty good.
Yeah, I'm gonna disagree.
No, that's a Honda Clarity. That's the Clarity something. That's not the FCX, or is it? I don't know. Maybe.
No, it's not the FCX.
So that's the okay. That's the Mirai.
Best Kidowski.
Oh my God! What is going on? Okay, so this is the interior is not bad. I don't hate the interior.
The interior is not bad.
It's
the
nice.
rest of the car is just
it's standard hideous. Prius stuff. Yeah, it looks very Prius-ish, and I think it's.
And honestly,
the back end is
the new Clarity, the one you just brought up. I actually don't hate it.
Dude, that's not horrible. Like, obviously, this is like a Photoshop or something. Wait, was this made to look like a Back to the Future thing? It says out of time.
Oh God.
Well, it's so right here we have the molded rear, which is kind of cool. We have it lowered with some wheels, and we have gull-wing doors on a front-wheel drive hydrogen car. Okay, all right. This is
Yep.
Well, there you go.
Going downhill real fast.
So I don't hate this.
I do.
No, you know why? Because this reminds me of the Subaru SVX. This gives me SVX vibes. Vibes.
I'm vibing.
I'm vibing too. So this, and I sort of like the C-pillar is always going to be big in these cars, but I like how they just made it look like a part of the glass. I kind of like that. It's very. The form, as far as an econo box and as far as something that's made for economy and coefficient of drag and all that stuff, it doesn't look bad. I don't know. I don't like it. It's not an Aston Martin DBS, right? But
right.
I think if you got some better wheels, if you gave it a little better stance, I think it would be all right.
The new Clarity, the new Honda Clarity, pull that up actually.
Honda Clarity?
Yeah.
Okay, so
I've seen a few of these on the road.
Really?
Yeah.
I have not seen any of these.
They're pretty low key. The second picture, the gray one.
Okay. So this one. So they look very much like
an Accord or a Civic. They share a lot of the same design language.
Yeah, but it looks sort of like
the white picture. You can see that wheel arch in the rear.
So this is if they had a Honda Accord in Back to the Future 2.
Yeah.
And then they just put some body panels on it, and they're like, "We're in the future now." Yeah. That's basically what it is. I don't hate this. I just think it's.
I think this looks way better than the Mirai.
I like the wheels. The wheels are pretty nice. It has this like cool like little serrated fan blade thing going on. I don't think it's a good looking car. Actually, in red it doesn't look bad, but I don't love it, but I can see why people. Actually, are people buying this? I don't think so.
I think they are. It's a hybrid Honda. Of course, people are going to buy it.
So this is like this is a station wagon, right?
It's kind of like a fastback sedan type thing.
Is it a Grand Coupe?
A Grand Coupe.
Yeah. See, again, if it had better wheels and it was just lowered, that would look pretty mean.
And a roof spoiler.
Yeah, but that would probably ruin the aerodynamics.
Yeah, but street cred, bro.
That's true. But if one of you can Photoshop one of these guys with...
I mean, if I had the time, I could. I have the time. I'm just too lazy.
If I had the time, actually, I have the time. I'm not going to do it. Screw it. What did I sign myself up for? I don't want to do this.
I legitimately think this would look good with the OZ wheels that I have on my car to really kind of play out that kind of futuristic kind of,
So okay,
Sid Mead
you want everything to be cyberpunk. You want everything just to be like it's futuristic, but also 1986.
Exactly.
So yeah, that's no. I think futuristic cars need futuristic wheels. But something happened in the future where cars just started getting bigger wheels, like as in the concepts. And like the wheels, like they had really, really skinny tires. So I guess potholes are a thing of the past in the future, right?
Sure.
But all the cars now, all these eco boxes, they have like 60 series tires. They have like really big, this huge profile. Why?
And like really narrow.
Yeah, because they're all for New York and LA and San Francisco, where they have to dodge potholes and drug needles and poop and all that stuff. San Francisco, you know what I'm talking about.